Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're discussing how to use a power of attorney for business transactions in Texas. So a power of attorney, we're going to call it a POA, is a legal document that allows an individual, known as the principal, that would be you, to grant authority to another person, known as the agent, to act on their behalf in various businesses and financial matters. So we have the principal and the agent. Understanding how to properly use a POA can help ensure that business operations are going to run smoothly, even when the principal is unavailable. In Texas, the POA can be structured as either a general or limited document. A general POA grants broad authority, so it's very broad, to the agent, and it allows them to handle all kinds of financial and business matters on behalf of the principal, which is you, right? A limited POA, on the other hand, grants authority for specific transactions, so it's a lot more tighter, such as signing a real estate contract or managing bank transactions, so doing those small things only. The scope of the POA should be clearly defined to avoid misunderstandings and legal complications. To use the POA in business transactions, the agent must present that document to the relevant financial institutions, real estate office, or other business entities. Many banks and businesses require a notarized copy of a POA or power of attorney before they allow the agent to conduct transactions. So it's also important to ensure that the POA complies with Texas law, right? And includes the necessary language to be legally recognized. A POA can be revoked at any time by the principal as long as they are mentally competent. Additionally, unless specified as durable, a POA automatically becomes invalid if the principal becomes incapacitated. So if you plan to use your POA for long-term business transactions, it's best to consult with an attorney to draft a durable POA that remains in effect even if you become unable to manage your affairs. If you are considering using a power of attorney for business transactions in Texas, having the right legal guidance is going to be essential here. Schedule your free 30-minute consultation with our experienced team. That way we can ensure that your power of attorney is properly drafted and legally enforceable. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.